How to use filters for searching on affordablehousing.com. On the homepage, search the area of your choice. From here, the Housing for Rent page will appear. At the top of your screen is a Filters toolbar. This toolbar features different topics in which you can filter your search to be more precise based on your preferences. Things such as price, affordability, beds, baths, property type, and many more. There's even a More Filters tab, which features different categories such as amenities and features, additional filters, the square feet, and accessibility needs. If you decide that you'd like to get rid of certain filters, you can click the X listed next to them. If you found a search that you like and want to come back to later, click Save Search. Or, if you'd like to start over, you can hit the Reset Filters button to start your search again. Filtering has all of the options to help you find exactly what you're looking for. Now that you know all the filter tools, you can create your perfect search and find exactly what you're looking for on affordablehousing.com.